your girl Jillisa Lynn, and welcome to the first show of my cooking skills. You didn't know I could cook, did you? Well, welcome. Something that I absolutely love to do, that I learned how to do myself, and also from watching my mom and my grandma and other people that have been influences in my life. So here we are. I'm super excited. I wish I had my apron. Katie made me a really cool apron, but next time I will wear it until we get our official Bunny Bites logo. So let's jump right in. Today I'm going to be making chicken noodle soup. And I like to cut up my vegetables first. Of course you need a lemon and a lime. Onion, I like to put a couple little peppers in it because I saute everything and it gives it a little bit of flavor. So here we go. So when I'm cutting peppers, you guys know you have to cut from the inside because it's just a cleaner cut. It's easier. The outside of the pepper tends to be really rough. So it's just easier to slice a nice little dice that way. So after this, I'll cut up my carrots and my celery and my onions. And then I will begin to saute all of this together. Get all the flavors cooking before you put the broth in. I mean, it's great to eat days later because the flavor tends to marinate while it sits in the fridge. So you could just heat it up. But if you are saving it for meal prepping throughout the week, then you want to make sure that you actually only cook the broth and make the noodles separately in a pot so that each time you heat it up, you just put in a little bit of the egg noodle. Otherwise, the egg noodle will soak up all of your broth and then you'll end up with a big pile of egg noodle mess, which I know because I did this the first time that I attempted to make chicken noodle soup. So, from my own experience, I'm just saying. Guys, my phone died, so clearly you can tell that this is my first video because I forgot to plug it in. So you missed me talking and shredding my chicken, but basically I was saying that you can use any chicken that you want. You can either bake chicken, or I like to go to the deli and get the rotisserie chicken that they make because I know it's slow cooked, and a lot of people usually don't have time to slow cook chicken, and it just shreds better and it's all white meat. I'm very picky about my meat, so I have my chicken shredded, and you also missed the steps of me pouring in my carrots and my celery, but everything is cooking in here. Soon I will be doing overhead shots. Stay tuned. Like I said, this is my first video. So I have all the vegetables cooking in here. I like to cook them a little advanced, which they're about ready. I ran through my seasonings as well. I'm not sure if you got that, so just in case, pepper and salt, of course. I like to use a little bit of garlic, 21 Seasons from Trader Joe's, and also lemon and lime, of course, and bay leaves and thyme. So here goes the broth. Shake, shake, shake a little up, the goodness has broth. also like to put vegetable broth in mine. For those who maybe don't like chicken broth, you can put vegetable broth. I do both. I do chicken and vegetable just because it's a different flavor. Alright, so I have the broth in. Now I will put my bay leaves in, and I also put a little bit more seasons because I don't like it to be bland. Then I'm going to let it boil, bring it to a boil, put my chicken in, and then my noodles. And voila! I will show you the finished soup very soon. Stay tuned.